Please keep your volume down while watching this video because it is very, very loud. I can even hear it without wearing headphones. Yeah, this is plugged into headphones and I can even hear it without them.